Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today, this is just a quick breaking news letting you guys know that SBI virtual currencies that's gone live, and SBI apparently says that we should be ready for a bull run in 2019. Now, what's going around the whole crypto ecosystem, I believe that this is definitely a possibility that we could definitely see a nice bull run. Nonetheless, I believe 2019 is just going to bring us great news to the whole crypto ecosystem, and it's just going to help us advance and reach that ultimate goal that we all want, which is mass adoption. I think we should definitely stay looking closely at SBI and XRP specifically, just because SBI is very invested in XRP, and they definitely plan on making XRP one of the world's greatest cryptocurrencies. Some recent articles say that they apparently want XRP to eventually, maybe in the future, be ahead of Bitcoin by market cap. However, this is all news, and this is all still needs to be seen, and things need to get done. But as we understand it right now, I think that SBI's claims for a bull run in 2019, it's pretty much, I think it's definitely an accurate thing to say, especially with all the new partnerships that are coming in, and just with different cryptocurrencies as a whole. But nonetheless, this is just great for the whole ecosystem. We're definitely moving forward, and we're definitely carrying this thing through. And just let me know what you guys think. This was just kind of like a quick breaking news video. I'm actually at work, but just wanted to let you guys know since I saw this, and I feel like it's definitely something that needs to be shared. But we're definitely getting there, guys, slowly but surely. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.